Back guys, this is Techie Rick. Today Xiaomi Mi 10 Lite review. Last 2 weeks more I'm using this device. This device worth to buy. Everything review in this video, so guys don't skip the video. First look the phone display. Display wise, this device comes with 6.57 inches Full HD plus resolution AMOLED display. Display top side water drop notch here. Now the day water drop notch is little bit old fashioned, but you need good specs at low price. It's not bad. Once again, I'm show you the display settings. Auto brightness is just 10 on. I'm show phone in direct sun. Yeah, auto brightness is seems quite good. Display wise advantage, it's AMOLED display, support under display fingerprint scanner. Outdoor brightness quite good. Cons, this display support only 60 Hz refresh rate. Chin is little bit big in 2020. Hardware and software. Phone running on Android 10 based in MIUI 11. Now I'm not get the MIUI 12 update. Maybe in future we got. I don't know, but Xiaomi sell this device maybe out of the box MIUI 12. Okay, anyways, this phone running quite good. Phone lips are fully plain, nothing. On bottom side, Type-C port, speaker grills and SIM card port here. IR blaster and 3.5 jack here at phone top side. Phone frame made in plastic, not a metal. This device main highlight 8 megapixel periscope camera. We later look into. Processor wise, this device comes with Snapdragon 765G, its mid-range 5G processor. Benchmark score 3,18,000. It is not high, it's average. I'm playing some different games, PUBG and Aspert 9. Small drawback, Aspert 9 support only HD resolution, PUBG support only full HD resolution, not support HDR and Ultra. It's big issues. Snapdragon 730 support HDR and Ultra, but Snapdragon 765G not support HDR and Ultra. Anyways, I'm playing some different games in maximum settings. It's run quite good. Let's look camera. Camera wise, phone backside quad camera setup here. Main camera 48 megapixel, secondary 8 megapixel ultra wide. Third one main highlight 8 megapixel periscope camera, 5x optical zoom, 50x digital zoom. Last one depth sensor. Okay, first look at the camera view. First time look my room inside. See guys, this water puddle, red color cap water puddle. You got it guys? Yeah, focus this place. Okay, just zoom in. How is the quality? Okay, once again is change the video mode. Okay, yeah, its quality is good, not bad. Once again, focus test. Yeah, focus speed is also good, it's not bad. Photo quality is also good. Overall room inside stability, autofocus speed, it's not bad. Once again, I'm test low light place, same Xiaomi Mi 10 Lite. I'm in battery inside. Yeah. Okay, it's a 5x optical zoom. Just zoom 50x digital zoom. It's called missing once again. Yeah. Also autofocus speed is good. Stability not bad.
This is Xiaomi 10 Lite. This video by Xiaomi 10 Lite. Do you like it?